Buying a new printer is always an important decision for print service providers. They need a solution that allows them to print many different kinds of jobs with a high speed and low running costs. This is exactly what the HP DesignJet T7200 production printer offers. A proven solution for high volume printing that integrates color and black and white and with a low cost of ownership. With the HP DesignJet T7200, you get high-speed color printing that delivers up to 4 A1 or D-size pages per minute. Plus, it's equipped with high-capacity ink cartridges and has support for up to 3 heavy media rolls. If you want to boost your productivity and get a complete workflow solution, you can also install HP DesignJet SmartStream. This is an easy-to-run software that will help you increase your productivity by cutting down job preparation time by 50%. Install optional hardware accessories like an online folder, an external stacker, or a scanner. The HP DesignJet T7200 is a lot more than a very productive printer. It's a very versatile solution that can meet all your printing needs. You can use it for your black and white and color prints, from very simple CAD drawings to graphically rich renders and graphics. HP proven technologies ensure top quality at top speed. Besides productivity and versatility, there's another key benefit that makes the HP DesignJet T7200 the ideal printer. It offers a low cost of ownership, letting you keep your business profitable. The running costs are also very competitive. Printing your black and white drawings has the same cost per page as comparable black and white LED printers. And finally, with the HP DesignJet SmartStream, you will also save money by avoiding reprints. The HP Crystal Preview technology shows what and how content will be printed with true accuracy. The HP DesignJet T7200 production printer is a high-speed solution with a low cost of ownership. Adding HP DesignJet SmartStream, you'll also get correct PDF management and big savings in job preparation time while gaining full control of your printing workflow. Now, you can boost your productivity right away.